on the book. Today I am making it an Undertale Chara, and I made this last time, but I forgot something. So here's the paper, marbles, and this thing so you can put the marbles on. And let's start it. Here, please.
Yes, iron?
Yeah, the iron.
Okay, iron. Because it may burn you.
Please don't put it on my hand. Is there noise?
Just stay over here.
Is that noise, guys?
We have wait for a moment, don't take it out.
Well, the paper is hot. Okay guys, so it's complete, and are you ready to see it? Surprise! Here is the Chara. And do you know what is this? A soul. A heart. Back, it looks pretty good, yeah. So, here's the Chara. Thank you for watching, guys. Next time, we are making another character. Thank you for watching.